Welcome to WebTech Lab experiment number 8. Today we will be discussing PHP database connection. So in this experiment we will be creating a registration form in which the data which we give in the registration form is saved in a database, and then we will be creating a login page to retrieve the data and log in the user, and even we will be resetting our password and it will be changing in our database, and also we will be setting up a cookie. When checked, we will proceed to the page with the username on it. So now let's get started. As you can see, I have created an index.php page for my registration form. I have just given some basic CSS properties here, and then here I have created a form, as you can see, with the username, password and mobile number, and a submit button to register. And then in my PHP, here I have given my SQL connection. Here this commands are my SQL connection, and it will print a message if connected successfully, or successfully connected, or not, it will print the error. As you can see, I am retrieving my data that I have given in my form, and I have given the query to insert into my table with the name register, which is in my SQL, which is stored in my SQL. And then we are also asked to show the usernames of people who have already registered. So I have given another query to select the complete username table and fetch the data. So now, and then I have given a link here to the next page to proceed to our login. And as you can see, in our login I have given the username password form, a simple username password submit form, and here I have just connected the database. So I have done the form action as sign.php, so we'll proceed to that page to look for. And you can see here I have given the CSS properties to select the required data. If the username and the password matches, we will be proceeding to the next page, or not, we will be stopped with a message of error. And the cookie, we set here a cookie, and then here we are reading the cookie when selected to welcome dot and the username, or not, just a welcome message. And then to change the password, I have given here, we will be, once we click the reset your password button, we will be proceeding to another page where we are asked our username, our old password, and the new password which we want to enter. And in the set.php, which I have given as the form action, you can see I have given the query to update the new password. If the username and the old password match, then the password will be changed. So now, before running this code, I will just show you I will just connect you to my database and show the registered table in it. So I'm going to SQL log. So here I have to create a new connection and give it as connect, and then here I am giving my host address, and then my username. So all this data I have given in my program to connect to my SQL. Only if both the data match, the connection is successful, or not, we will be getting a message of error. So I am just connecting. So let me show you the tables. So we have tables. Here we have the registered table. So I have just opened, and you can see we have data uploaded into the table. So we can see we have already users registered into the table. So let us take now. So now I'll run the code. You can see the table now. Here I'll just run the code. So I've already uploaded So here you can see register here, and people who are already registered, we have a list of people who are registered here. So I'll just give another user to register, password and a mobile number, and I'll click submit. You can see that we have the name, the username Tanuj registered here, and let me show you it in the database. So I reload this, and you can see we have a data entry registered here. And see, for the password I gave 3 zeros. So after login I will be changing my password to show you the reset. So then I'll proceed to the login page. So in the login page I'll give the same data. So I'm giving a wrong password intentionally, and you see it didn't work. So now I'll be giving the right password. Now we have proceeded to a welcome page. Now again I'll give the right password with activating our cookie to remember me. You can see welcome and my username got printed. And then now I'll be resetting my password to show you how it works. So here I'm giving my name, my old password. Then I'll be giving my new password as 999. Then change password. So now our password is changed. I'll show you it in the database. So the previous password was 000. Now if I reload, we have the password changed to 999. So this is how PHP connection to database